Well, 8-6, LaSalle getting the upper hand here in this hotly contested match. Miscommunication. Ito, second ball.
But she knew it was going to her already, si Zapata. But obviously, tama ka. It should have been Makatino's ball for them to be able to set a play. Zapata, of course, wanting to go for an open hit.
Yep. So 8-6, the rookie Galang serving for the LSU, the defending champions. And another service error.
It goes long.
We know what they'll be practicing. More of tomorrow.
Service, Zapata.
Oh, that's going to be long as well. Wait for that.
So the lead is still 2 points. 7-9 serving 7. The net catching that one, but it's still a legal hit. That's out. That's a point for LaSalle.
Pineda going for a push, trying to get the blockers touch it, but no go.
Service, Gumabao.
Michelle Gumabao. Tatlong sunod-sunod halos.
Service error on the side of the LSU. Alam mo pa naman yung serve, sometimes people are just so good at it. Yun rin yung intimidation factor. Let's say if you see let's say a Denise Tan, di ba? Remember her
Or
serve?
Jack Alarca.
Yes, or Jack Alarca. Kaya di makulangan, di ba? When you see them,
Alam mo na.
nag-iisip ka na eh.
Far to reach.
Galang seems to be on that road.
Yes, I was going to say that a while ago. Now, ito, through practice and through time, I'm pretty sure she's going to be one of those
Better
players.
servers.
Yes. Yung nandun pa lang sa service line, nag-iisip ka na kung ano ka, receiver.
Oh, pati si Eliza Valdez, ganda rin. So this, nagkagulo rin. Same situation.
But this time on the other side of the court.
Cruz and Reyes looking at each other. Look at them, look at each other.
Because it was just an underhand turn. Long on the serve.
Reyes, quick. That's out. No check ball. Point for Adamson.
But you know, I like Reyes because you can see that there was nobody there for Adamson and she wanted to go for that angle. Malakas ang loob for a rookie.
Again, sabi nga natin, may mga rookie talaga na we're just playing, we're concentrating on what we can do.
Unconscious.
No pressure.
Outside.
And again,
Lumalaban ang Adamson sa
umahabol ba?
serve. Mahabol sa errors on the serve.
Remita Tanghali. Service.
11 all. Oh, and a rare error by Vasquez.
Long Hari on that serve. Finally, sabi ni Coach Ramil.
Bagong pasok din yan, ha?
Kiwi, tatlong Hari.
Galing DLSU Isabel.
Sabi ni Coach Ramil, just wanted the serve to go over. Pero, reward, di ba, an ace.
Yes. The joust. Still alive. Pineda goes back. Esperanza. Charlene Cruz. And Zapata couldn't handle that one.
Where you go to, you want a point. Charlene Cruz.
Mabalik tayo doon sa punto natin, kanina.
Lalo na yung series of errors. Kailangan may puntahan ka eh. Just
Somebody would
stop it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stop the bleeding.
Yun ang mahirap. You were telling me a while ago yung doon sa UST nga. Because alam mo yun, yung errors na errors, pero wala kang mapuntahan. That's so hard.
Somebody will say, all right, ride my back.
Well, it's actually, I can see that it's actually Rhea de Maculangan for UST. But the thing is, she's a setter.
Correct.
Diba?
By tenure, it should be Rhea de Maculangan. Pero not by position, though. Miscommunication between Esperanza and Maranyo. Watching us live on Studio 23, Boom Gonzalez, Mozi Ravena, for ABS-CBN Sports. Sa Wednesday po, lipat tayo sa Blue Eagle Gym in Ateneo. But everything else will happen here at the Philoil Flying V Arena in San Juan. Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. Also, speaking of social media, just go ahead and follow at ABS-CBN Sports for updates on schedules, results, everything about volleyball. Meron din yung UAP Volleyball 74, if I'm not mistaken, and UAP Sports TV. Lahat yan, may mga Twitter accounts.
Yep.
As Maraño, unable to put it away.
Oh, Maraño. Tipping it over.
Pineda against 2.
Oh, that's
Long.
going to be a long one for Pineda. Not enough spin.
Pineda said, check ball, but I don't think so.
Service.
Playing in her last year, Charlene Cruz. Pineda again. Galang. Pineda with the left hand. Uy, nabiyayaan.
It was just trying to save it, but nobody was there for LaSalle to get that first ball.
High school play, ano? Using the fist.
Knuckler
Oh,
for Pineda.
Sheila with the serve. 14 serving 15. Mistimed, Maraño just tips it over. Chance here with Zapanta swinging. Oh, underneath the ball.
Again, no spin.
So the lead goes to LaSalle by 2, 16-14. Back in a moment.